In this video we'll find out how easy to be vegan in Russia, to be precise in Moscow. I will review 3 different restaurants. One is the vegetarian specialty cafe, the other one is the 5-star hotel restaurant, and the third is an ordinary usual place to eat.
Where is it? Oh yeah, there it is, the Brothers Karamazov. Let's go and check it out. Yeah. That's a great variety of different dishes. This is mostly the Russian food. Oh, I can see some vegan food, so I'm gonna get something here. Скажите, какие у вас есть веганские блюда? Свекла с имбирем — это веганское или нет? Салат весна, пожалуйста. I just got 2 big bags and I paid only 10 pounds, but it's not it because half of it is for my friend who eats meat. So let me get to his house and I can calculate how much money I spent and what exactly I got. I can take off this mask now. Beetroot with ginger, I got broccoli with sun-dried tomatoes and a tomato soup. Everything cost me 5 pounds and 50 pence. I would say it's twice cheaper than the British prices, about 50% less than in London you would pay. The food looks good. This is takeaway, and we have 3 more places to see: the vegetarian place, the 5-star hotel, and the usual restaurant. Location number 2 to check the vegan options is the breakfast in the 5-star hotel. I hope the variety is great. Great variety of nuts and dried fruits: walnut, pumpkin seeds, sun-dried fruit, jams, honey. There is more options including baked vegetable, cabbage, caviar, beetroot, olives, and some green substance. Looks like wasabi. Ah, it is wasabi. I don't know why I'm putting wasabi. Let's put ginger too. There is no sushi. Why I'm putting ginger and wasabi in my food? Fruit smoothies. So let's get this too. Fresh vegetable, hash brown, cabbage curry, baked vegetable, and fruit smoothies. And that's what you can get in a 5-star hotel. This kind of variety, it cost 1,500 rubles, it cost 15 pounds. And you can eat as much as you want. It's unlimited time, so you can come and grab more food. You can eat all the smoothies, you can eat all the salads. I keep on checking vegan places in Moscow. Now I'm going to an ordinary restaurant to see if there are any options for vegan people and how much it costs. Georgian restaurant, that's the place where I'm gonna test the vegan food. Let's go. The prices are from 4 pounds for the starter and the main courses are 4 pounds. I ordered 2 dishes. One is salad from fresh vegetables and olive oil. The national Georgian dish is ujahuri with mushrooms. So in total I spent in the restaurant 7 pounds and 50 pence. The last vegan place I'm reviewing now is the Jagannath restaurant. It's not even a restaurant, it's a cafe. I'm looking forward to visit the cafe which specializes in that kind of cuisines. They should have something sophisticated at an affordable price. All the desserts are either vegan or raw vegan. А у вас есть таркадал есть?
Есть, да.
Можно, пожалуйста? Да, селедку под шубой. И оливье тоже. Different alternatives of usual meat salad and the fish salad. This is Russian cuisine, but they're both vegan, so I'm gonna try it. This is the cafe and the place where I actually paid almost the most from the places I ever been, but I paid a lot because I ordered the most here. So altogether I spent 8 pounds 65 pence. And to conclude, there are great places to eat for vegan people in Moscow. It could be the usual restaurants
vegetarian places you can find also, or in ordinary place. It's good news. I'm glad that it's possible to find food for those people who don't eat meat, and I'll keep you updated on my vlogs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and comment what you would like to see in the next video. I publish video twice a week about travel, healthy lifestyle, and off the beaten routes. Thanks for watching, see you soon.